clouds, and look at the sky as well. You see that? It is very, very beautiful. Very near the mountaintops, bro. Bro. That's very near the mountaintop. Doing it. It is. Okay, so going over the Alps. Somewhere you don't know. Somewhere I do. And I'll tell you nothing. You'll have to guess. Wait for me. Huh? Jesus, that's extraordinary. Look at that beautiful cloud. Oh, yes. There's a thunderstorm that's just gone past through a big thunderstorm. I don't know what's going on. Maybe a lightning. Maybe a thundercloud. Thundercat!